Hello there. This is the Hane Module, a super lightweight photovoltaic module from Toyo Aluminium. You're probably wondering why an aluminium company is selling photovoltaic modules. Actually, Toyo Aluminium produces much more than aluminium. What's so amazing about it? I'll explain it all for you. First, it's super light. Much lighter than conventional modules. Conventional 48-cell modules weigh about 16 kilograms. But the Hane Module weighs just 8 kilograms, from 16 kilograms down to 8. It's packed with ideas from the expertise Toyo Aluminium has amassed in aluminium manufacturing. How did Toyo Aluminium make it so super light? Well, photovoltaic modules contain glass, and glass is heavy. So we made the glass incredibly thin. I'll bet you're thinking, what? That's it? No, that's not all. If the glass were just thinner, it would be too weak to be of any use. So Toyo Aluminium switched out the backsheet on the back of the module for a backboard. Toyo Aluminium has been producing
backsheets for over 25 years.
Backsheets are usually flimsy sheets about 0.2 to 0.3 millimeters thick. Using a thick board instead supports the module's strength. This was a module industry revolution! We named it the Hane Module because it's light as a feather. From 16 kilograms to 8 kilograms, that cuts the weight in half. The weight is really cut in half! Oh, sorry, I got carried away. I forgot myself in all the excitement. And what's even more surprising, even at such super incredible lightweight, the output performance is on par with conventional models. This is what piqued my curiosity about this module. Could this be the last word in photovoltaic modules? Now you know. So what if I am a Hane Module loving Rikejo? One of the lightest photovoltaic modules in the industry, exclusively developed by Toyo Aluminium. That's the Hane Module. Toyo Aluminium succeeded in making a 48-cell model with half the weight of conventional models, a super light 8 kilograms. The large 60-cell model is lightened to 2/3 the weight of conventional models. Output is amazing. 240 watts for the 48-cell model and 310 watts for the 60-cell model. You may be thinking, so what if it's lightweight? Well, lightweight is really important. And this is why. This is Okuwa, a major supermarket chain in the city of Wakayama. Hane modules are installed on the roofs of the head office and store. Before Okuwa installed the Hane modules, the company had a problem.
Existing suppliers were unable to solve the problem of product weight. The company had no suppliers who could meet their product weight needs.
Until they learned about the Hane Module.
I looked at it, I held it in my hands, and I realized how light it was. It provided the power output we were hoping for, so I'm really satisfied with the performance.
Isn't it wonderful that the Hane Module can be installed in more and more places? But that's not the only benefit from its super lightweight. This is Rikuzen Takata, Iwate Prefecture. Sanriku Omotenashi Car Rental handles EVs. This company uses the Hane Module at its EV charging stations.
Toyo Aluminium came to Iwate Prefecture numerous times to assist in the recovery after the earthquake. One thing they did was to donate equipment. You can see there are no pillars at the front of the charging station. That was made possible because the Hane Module is half the weight of conventional products.
With the Hane Module, pillars were only needed on one side, impossible with conventional models. This makes it easier to get in and out of cars and reduces the risk of colliding with pillars.
Now we have fewer accidents, so it's much safer. We're also saving money on electricity. And of course, our cars need a roof. We're killing 3 birds with 1 stone.
Do you still think lightweight is no big deal? Don't forget about strength. Conventional modules are designed for 1600 pascals of pressure. The Hane Module withstands 2400 pascals of pressure. That means it can withstand snow accumulation of 80 centimeters or wind gusts of 38 meters per second. Flame resistance is another big advantage. As soon as it started to burn, the conventional module dropped flaming embers. With the Hane Module, no embers fell even after it started to burn. Also, no exposure of electrodes was seen. It's nice to know that the Hane Module has you covered in case the worst happens. You'll be fine. Everyone's going to love you. Let's face it, you're awesome. Oh, there you are. So what do you think? Are you getting to like the Hane Module? I hope the Hane Module will be installed in more kinds of places than ever. Thank you for listening. おおきに。